Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integrations. Connecting your favorite apps to Asana can streamline your workflow and keep all your project information in one place, making collaboration much more efficient. First, log into your Asana account by heading over to asana.com. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your account configuration area. From here, navigate to the Apps tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to connecting Asana with your other tools. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll down until you see the Discover New Apps area. This is where Asana showcases various applications that can be integrated directly into your workflow. You'll find popular options like Slack, Gmail, and many other productivity tools that can enhance how you manage your tasks and projects. If the specific app you're looking for isn't immediately visible, simply click the See All Apps text at the bottom. This will expand the list and show you all the available integrations Asana supports. Now, let's say you want to connect Slack to your Asana workspace. Find Slack in the list and click the Connect button next to the app name. This initiates the integration process. You'll then be guided through some on-screen instructions asking you to authorize the connection. This step is important because it grants Asana the necessary permissions to communicate with Slack and share relevant information between the two platforms. Depending on the app you're integrating, you might be prompted to choose which workspace or project you want the integration to work with. This gives you control over where notifications and updates appear, ensuring you're not overwhelmed with information from every single project. Take a moment to select the appropriate workspace or project that makes the most sense for your needs. Next, you may have the option to customize your settings. This could include adjusting notification preferences or selecting specific integration options that determine how the two apps interact. These customization features are designed to help you tailor the integration to fit your exact workflow requirements. Finally, once you've made all your selections and adjustments, click Save or Finish to complete the setup. Your integration is now active, and you should start seeing the benefits immediately as information flows seamlessly between Asana and your connected app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.